SafePal's hardware wallet app. The pros, the cons. The SafePal's hardware wallet is one of the most popular cold storage solutions for crypto users today. But is it really as secure and convenient as people say? Let's uncover the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit for your digital assets. First, the pros. The SafePal November 7, 2025 biggest strength is security. It's a completely air-gapped device, which means it never connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or any network. Transactions are handled using QR codes, keeping your private keys completely offline and safe from hackers. That's a big deal in an age where digital theft is becoming more common. Another major plus is multi-chain support. This supports over 100 blockchains and more than 100 zero tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and NIFS. This versatility makes it a solid option for anyone managing a diverse portfolio. The SafePal mobile app also adds convenience. It lets you view balances, make swaps, and connect to decentralized apps using your hardware wallet. This bridge between cold storage and on-the-go DeFi access is what really makes SafePal stand out. However, there are cons to consider. The first is complexity for beginners. Setting up the device and scanning QR codes for every transaction can feel tedious, especially if you're new to crypto wallets. Another drawback is that the device is plastic, not metal like some competitors. It's lightweight and affordable, but not as durable as premium options like Ledger or Trezor. In conclusion, the SafePal is one of the safest, most feature-rich hardware wallets for its price. It's perfect for serious crypto users who value full control and offline protection. The surprising truth? It's not the flashiest device, but when it comes to securing your assets, it quietly does the job better than most.